extort these niggas. Pussy be like, can you afford me, nigga? Broke niggas in my face, pussy ignore these niggas.
One video started another. What's poppin'? It's your girl Dina, and I'm back with another video. And I said I'm back with another video. And if you know, you know. For me, just any one video started a new video. Yeah, get into it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just got to work from 16-hour shift, and I'm about to clean up. Well, really, I'm about to clean my kitchen. Don't judge me. Don't freaking judge me. I'm being transparent. You feel me? That's what some of you people need to work on. Stop trying to be like everybody you see on social media, okay? Anywho, gotta wash clothes. I need to clean up my dirty ass room. And then I need to clean up the bathroom. Oh God, am I gonna finish all this morning? I don't know. The first thing I think I'm gonna start on is sorting these clothes. Cause I need to go to Walmart because I started my period. Yay, psycho. No. I want to see my clothes now. Get Sophie, get Sophie, get Sophie. Like, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. I got home from putting my clothes in the dryer. Put the change in my pocket. I'm about to get in the shower. It's gonna take like 45 minutes for my clothes to dry. So I'm about to get in the shower. Oops, I haven't gotten a shower.
Alright guys, so now I'm at Walmart. I only get a Walmart for 2 things, and that is some pads. And I'm gonna just get this one. The $7 ones. I don't think there's no fucking difference with these two. Cotton top layer, this is what it say. Regular, light, clean scent. I don't know. We're gonna get these though. They got these ones too. Okay. But no, I need some, I know Walmart should have Nutty Butters. Do you guys sell Nutty Butters? She just ignored me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you guys have Nutty Butters? Butters? Like the bars? You don't know what Nutty Butters is? No. It's okay, thank you. That's what happens when you have people that don't fucking know shit about California. Working in Walmart. Who don't fucking know what a fucking Nutty Butter is? Who the fuck don't know what a Nutty Butter is? Who? Oh, okay. It don't even matter.
Guys, I did my hair, but I finished cleaning up my living room, my kitchen. The counter dirty right here, but it's just because I smoke and stuff right here. Bathroom clean. One thing I do now is mop and pick these Phillips off my room floor because I had to get out the shower. I need to get something to wear. But I did that too. Bang, bang. I need some Windex. What's poppin'? Yeah! YouTube! It's your girl D to the E to the D to the E, Didi, and I'm back with another video. And I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Actually, I can't be late, so I'm about to like literally driving right now. Well, car's already started. Guys, I'm spending $170 getting my hair braided. Okay, write it down in history book. Okay, because I don't do this. But anywho, I'm about to hit this little bed. About to be out here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a video. That's on period. That's on gang. That's on everything. A, B, C, D, and above. Okay. And I'll see you guys when I get there or after I get my hair done. Got the money right here for the girl. Yeah. Sit tight. She ate. And every time she do my feedings, she fucking eats. Okay. These are so cute. Now it's time to go to these eyebrows. What's poppin'? YouTube? I got roses. You guys want to see my roses? I got some more roses. I always gotta look at those roses when I got some roses. I got some roses. Ooh, nice. They smell okay. I should take 1 rose out of each and then go get my little sister and my other baby sister 1 rose and a teddy bear. Because they about to die. They're going to be dead when I get back. By the time I get back from my vacation. vacation, they might be dead. Cause ain't gonna be nobody here to water them or take care of them or any of that thing. So this video, guys, I just got my hair done yesterday. Cute. Yeah, you guys know that, but you guys ain't seen the video of that uploading. Or I don't know, I might just include both these videos from yesterday and today because I didn't really finish the video, I guess. But yeah, guys, I'm about to just go to Walmart real quick. Or CVS, really. Well, CVS will open at 10 o'clock, so. Then go to CVS, then go to the mall. Well, we'll go to CVS, then come back home, get in the shower. Find me somewhere, get my nails and feet done. And then, yeah. Morning, Doobie. Morning, Doobie. You know. You feel me? Yep. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your girl, D to the E to the D to the E, D, and I'm back with another video. I don't know if that's gonna work. That should work. I just finished brushing my teeth. I put on me a sweater because I'm about to smoke before I go to this airport. Guys, so I'm about to vlog my first experience ever getting on a plane. I'm nervous and I look like Miss McDonald's. You feel me? Yeah. But nails is cute. Got my nose in yesterday. Got my feet done yesterday. I got my teeth done yesterday. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I got my hair done yesterday. And I got your nigga yesterday. And yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Yeah. Those are the houses.